Hey everybody, we're back in the basement. I'd really like to get a start on this stone foundation. It's terrible fluorescence and concrete mortar peeling away. I've never seen it this bad. At any rate, I'd like to make a pass through, at least do some cleanup. I won't be able to get to repointing the stone for a while, but I at least want to make a pass and clean up some of the worst of the mess. Let me give you a closer look. Maybe from a side view you can kind of see a little more what we're dealing with. I mean, this is just coming off in big chunks. So I'd like to get that cleaned up. Here's a shot of the storage room. I think it's more than just fluorescence. I think it's an incomplete parging job. Somebody tried to concrete over the stone rather than just tuck pointing. They tried partially, at least, to cover the stone. Perhaps at one point it was a complete parge. I think that's a lot of what's peeling off now is that concrete overlay. As Mike Haddock would say, no big deal. If you haven't seen his channel, you should. His is more of a how-to. My channel is more of a how not to. What do I know? I'm learning as I go. It's huge blisters of bad concrete, fluorescence, and sand. Hopefully getting this off will give the wall a chance to breathe. Dry out a little better before I move on to the next phase. Do some tuck pointing. You can just hear some of it is hollow when you tap on it. Obviously a rather damp exterior, but I'm working on that. They're installing gutters and improving the grade away from the house. So hopefully whatever work I do will stand the test of time. If I didn't improve the water drainage outside, I'd be wasting my time doing this. My intent to tuck point rather than parge the wall or cover it with sheetrock because I love the stone. I'd like to especially as I'm cleaning this up here, the stone is being revealed. I really love the look of it. I'd love to maybe clean it up really well, maybe put a gloss coat over it or something. Something that would highlight the stone a little better. What do you guys think? Well, this was a dirty, dusty job, but I'm glad I did it. Get a little exercise and cleaned up these walls a little bit. I don't know if it comes through on camera or not, but this is just knocking off the loose stuff. Of course, haven't wire brushed it or wet it down or anything. But I've been itching to do this for a long time. Now I've just got the storage room and the laundry room to do. It'll be a lot of work, but I'm already liking the way it's looking. A lot of potential here. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know if you'd like to see any more details on this stuff. Thanks.